Hello everyone, I'm back. Let's travel to America. Vamos, America! Traveling by motorbike to America can be an exciting adventure. Here are some key points to consider. To take your own motorcycle into the USA, you have two options. First option, shipping it. You can fly your bike in and then arrange for it to be loaded in the hold of a commercial plane. Specialist motorcycle freight companies in the UK or anywhere can assist with this process. Second option, cross a land border. If you're crossing a land border, it'll likely be via Canada or Mexico. Ensure you have your passport, visa or ESTA, vehicle registration, insurance, and driver's license. This is what we're doing now. Benefits of taking your own bike. You know your bike and can equip it as desired. No damage waiver fees if you drop or scuff it. Memorable experience of bringing your bike back home. Great conversation starter with a UK plate in the US or Canadian plate. Documentation. Obtain a letter of exemption from the Environmental Protection Agency or EPA, which is free. Your shipping agent can guide you on this. Remember, riding your own motorbike across America allows you to explore freely and create unforgettable memories. Do you know that the United States offers some incredible motorcycle routes that cater to riders seeking adventure, scenic beauty, and growing curves? Here are some notable ones. First one, North Cascades Highway, Washington. The length is 172 miles, ride time approximately 4 hours. Highlights: ascend Washington Pass at around 7,000 feet elevation. Majestic National Park mountains, glacier views, and turquoise waters. Nearby detour to Diablo Dam Road. Second, Peak Trail Scenic Byway, Arkansas. Length 26 miles, ride time about 40 minutes. Features carves through Ozark National Forest, canopy of trees for a shady ride, curves, hairpins, and great scenery. Third, Grand Staircase, Escalante, Utah. Length 124 miles. Ride time approximately 2.5 hours. Scenic views: Snakes through Bryce Canyon and Capitol Reef National Parks. Multicolored slot canyons, sandstone cliffs, and vast mesas. These roads promise unforgettable experiences for motorcycle enthusiasts. Let's explore the best times for riding these scenic roads. For North Cascades Highway, Washington, ideal time is late spring to early fall, which is May to September. Because snow typically clears from the mountain passes during this period, allowing safe passage. You have to check the road conditions before planning your ride. What about on Peak Trail Scenic Byway, Arkansas? Best season is spring and fall, because mild temperatures, colorful foliage, and minimal traffic. And you are avoiding hot summers and icy winters. What about Grand Staircase, Escalante, Utah? Recommended months is April to June, which is spring, and fall, September to November, because pleasant weather, blooming wildflowers, and vibrant landscapes. Summers can be scorching and winters can bring snow. Remember to adapt your plans based on local weather conditions and personal preferences. What is your favorite type of road trip? Road trips. The one in your hair? The open road stretching ahead? While I don't have personal preferences, I can certainly share some exciting road trips ideas. Let's talk about coastal cruises. Hike the coastline, feel the salty breeze, and explore charming seaside towns. California's Pacific Coast Highway Route 1 is a classic choice. Mountainscapes. Dusty roads, mountain vistas, and crisp air perfect for adventure seekers. Try the Trail of the Dragon in Tennessee or Colorado's $1 Million Highway. Historic roads, follow paths of pioneers and legends. Route 66 from Chicago to LA is iconic, with quirky roadside attractions. National park tours combine nature and road tripping. Yellowstone, Zion, and Arcadia National Parks offer stunning drives. Desert wanderings, endless horizons, cacti, and solitude. Arizona's Sunrun Desert or Nevada's Extraterrestrial Highway Area 51 nearby. Remember, the best road trip is the one that resonates with your spirit. What about if you do a road trip from Alberta, Canada to America, or riding a motorbike from Alberta, Canada to America? Let's talk about it! Riding a motorbike from Alberta, Canada to America offers an exhilarating journey through stunning landscapes. Here's a captivating road you might consider. The ultimate Canada motorcycle road from Alberta to America. First, from Vancouver to Whistler, which is 100 miles. Explore Stanley Park, cross the iconic Lions Gate Bridge, and ride the Sea to Sky Highway to Whistler, a world-famous ski resort town. Whistler to Kelowna, which is 260 miles. Pass through Pemberton, traverse mountains, and ride through cowboy country past cattle ranches to reach Kelowna. Kelowna to Ainsworth Hot Springs, which is 230 miles. Experience a change from hills to mountains as you ride through the Kootenay Mountain region, famous for ski resorts, breweries, and the soothing Ainsworth Hot Springs. Ainsworth Hot Springs to Revelstoke, which is 135 miles. Enjoy brilliant roads that alternate between tarmac and little ferry crossings over turquoise blue lakes. Seek out hidden gems along the way. Revelstoke to Banff, which is 205 miles. Ride through the storied Kicking Horse Pass, narrow valleys, and plenty of switchbacks. Then your rest day would be in Banff. Take your break and explore the charming town of Banff. Banff to Mount Robson, which is 235 miles. Brace yourself for the epic Icefields Parkway, one of the best roads globally, surrounded by overhanging glaciers. Spot abundant wildlife along the way. Then Mount Robson to Kamloops, which is 230 miles. Follow the Thompson River and the Canadian National Railway line. Kamloops awaits the Wild West region with arid and desert landscapes. Remember to savor the journey, soak in the scenery, and embrace the freedom of open road. When crossing borders, whether by road or otherwise, it is essential to be well prepared. Here are some tips to ensure a smooth experience. Keep your passport handy. Always carry your passport with you, especially when crossing from a Schengen country to a non-Schengen one. Some Eastern European countries still require passport checks at land borders. Print your tickets. Even if it's not explicitly mentioned, many drivers in Eastern Europe may want to physically check your tickets at a station. Print your itinerary to avoid any surprises. Check border requirements. Research the specific requirements for its border crossing. Look for travel advisories or warnings related to the region. Vehicle documentation. Ensure your vehicle's paperwork is in order. For example, registration, insurance, etc. Some borders may require additional documents like a green card for insurance. Personal documentation. Besides your passport, carry other essential IDs like driver's license, national ID, and etc. If you are traveling with children, have their documents ready too. Motorbiking from Alberta, Canada to Arizona, USA offers some exhilarating adventures through diverse landscapes. Here are some key points to consider. Road options. Distance. The direct road covers approximately 1,820 miles. The road will primarily travel on 1 to 15 south and then take US 89 south. Scenic detours. Consider exploring side roads and the scenic byways for a more captivating journey. Alberta to Montana. Optional start. Begin your ride in Alberta, Canada. Cross the border into Montana, USA by the Carway border crossing. Enjoy the stunning vistas of the Rocky Mountains as you head south. Montana to Utah. Ride through Montana, Idaho, and Utah. Explore Yellowstone National Park if you have extra time. Witness geysers, hot springs, and abundant wildlife. Utah's modified national parks. Artis, Canyonlands, Capitol Reef, Bryce Canyon, and Zion await. Each park offers unique rock formations, canyons, and breathtaking vistas. Arizona Desert Beauty. As you enter Arizona and embrace the desert landscape, visit Sedona for its red rock formations and its spiritual energy. Explore Grand Canyon National Park, a must-see. Weather considerations. Plan your trip during favorable weather, spring or fall. Avoid extreme heat in Arizona desert during summer. Remember, this journey combines adventure, natural wonders, and the freedom of the open road. Please enjoy your trip to Arizona, USA. Please stay tuned for more, and please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. This is the Grand Canyon, Arizona, USA. The Grand Canyon is a breathtaking natural wonder located in the northwestern Arizona, United States. Here are some fascinating facts. Geological marvel. The Grand Canyon is a steep-sided canyon carved by the Colorado River. Stretches for 277 miles or 446 kilometers, with the width ranging from 4 to 80 miles or 6.4 to 29 kilometers. The canyon attains a depth of over a mile, reaching 6,093 feet or 1,857 at its deepest point. Formation and history. Nearly 2 billion years of Earth's geological history are exposed within the canyon. The Colorado River and its tributaries cut through layers of rock on the Colorado Plateau. While the exact timing of the canyon's formation is debated, recent studies suggest it began 5 to 6 million years ago. Native Americans have inhabited the area for the thousands of years and considering it as a holy site. Preservation and exploration. President Theodore Roosevelt played a crucial role in preserving the Grand Canyon. The canyon was designated a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1979. Garcia Lopez de Cardenas from Spain was the first European to view it in 1540. The Grand Canyon's visually overwhelming size and intricate landscape make it a must-see destination. The Grand Canyon offers an array of thrilling activities for adventure seekers. Here are some exciting options. Hiking the Grand Canyon. Explore the trails along the rim or venture into the canyon itself. Popular trails include South Cable Trail and the Bright Angel Trail. Rafting the Colorado River. Embark on a multi-day river rafting trip. Companies like Arizona River Runners offer unforgettable experiences. Helicopter tours. Soar above the canyon for breathtaking views. Witness the immense scale and rugged beauty from the air. Mule rides. Ride a mule down into the canyon. Canyon trail rides and Buckwild Grand Canyon Hummer tours offer guided mule trips. Biking the rim. Rent e-bikes from Bright Angel Bike Rentals and Tours for a unique perspective. Remember, the Grand Canyon promises adventure at every fun or every turn. Please stay tuned for more and please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me take this opportunity to thank all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. While the Grand Canyon's popular viewpoints are awe-inspiring, there are lesser-known gems worth exploring. Mojave Point, Hermit Road, offers panoramic views of the canyon, great for sunrise and sunset photography. Point, a 1.8-mile hike below the rim, unique view from within the canyon. Desert View Watchtower overlooks the Colorado River and Marble Canyon, captivating vistas from the tower. Lee's Ferry, historic site where the Colorado River begins its journey, stunning river views. Little Colorado River Confluence, witness the meeting of the Colorado and Little Colorado Rivers, dramatic colors and formations. Bright Angel Point, North Rim. North Rim's hidden gem offers solitude and breathtaking panoramas. Side hikes on the Colorado River rafting trip. Explore slot canyons and side trails during rafting event. The South Rim after a snowstorm. Tranquil and magical with snow-covered vistas. Remember, these spots reveal the Grand Canyon's hidden beauty. The Grand Canyon is not only famous for its breathtaking views, but also hosts a diverse array of wildlife. Here are some fascinating animals you might encounter during your visit. Bighorn sheep. These majestic creatures are found at the South Rim. Keep an eye out for them. They sometimes venture onto roads and trails, providing up-close encounters. The black bears. Yes, there are black bears in the Grand Canyon. While sightings are rare, some can be found in the conifer forests around the North Rim. Squirrels. Both rims are home to various squirrel species. Look out for the unique kaibab squirrel, found only in the northern Arizona. Mountain lions, pumas, cougars, panthers. Although rarely seen, mountain lions inhabit both sides of the park. Solo hikers are warned about potential risk, but no known attacks have occurred at the canyon. Remember, The Grand Canyon's wild side holds surprises for those who keep their eyes open. Let's go to the history of Grand Canyons, Arizona. The Grand Canyon, a mile-deep crevasse in northern Arizona, has a fascinating history. Formation. Scientists estimate that the canyon formed 5 to 6 million years ago when the Colorado River began cutting through layers of rock. Human habitation. People have inhabited the area around the canyon since the last ice age. European exploration. The Spanish explorers first reached the Grand Canyon in the 1540s. Protection and National Park. President Benjamin Harrison protected it as a forest reserve in 1893, and it became an official United States National Park in 1919. Geological marvel. The canyon's mile-high walls reveal a cross-section of Earth's crust going back nearly 2 billion years. Native cultures. Prehistoric humans settled here during the last ice age, and various tribes, including the Havasupai, have called it home. Today, tourists can explore its geologic history on the Trail of Time at Grand Canyon National Park. The Grand Canyon has revealed a rich history through ancient artifacts discovered by archaeologists. Here are some remarkable finds. Gloves and fossil fragments. The oldest surviving artifacts found in the Grand Canyon, a club spear point made from flint, dates back to around 9200 BCE to 8900 BCE. The Folsom fragment, made from paleopink stone, dates from 8900 BCE to 8200 BCE. Split twig figurines. Whittled animal-shaped figurines like deer and bighorn sheep. Created about 4,000 years ago during the late Archaic period. Hundreds of these figurines found in the Grand Canyon, possibly used as talismans for successful hunting. Basket maker artifacts. Intricate woven patterns on pottery, a transition from a hunter-gatherer to an agricultural lifestyle. Examples include Flagstaff black on white bowls. These artifacts provide glimpses into ancient cultures that thrive in the awe-inspiring landmark. You are looking at the Colorado River. The Grand Canyon is a magnificent natural wonder carved by the Colorado River in Arizona, United States. Here are some fascinating facts. Size and dimension. Length 277 miles or 446 kilometers. Width up to 18 miles or 29 kilometers. Depth over a mile or 6,092 feet or 1,857 meters. Geological history. Nearly 2 billion years of Earth's geological history are exposed within the canyon. The Colorado River and its tributaries cut through layers of rock at the Colorado Plateau. Recent studies suggest the Colorado River established its course through the area about 5 to 6 million years ago. Human connection. Native Americans inhabited the area for thousands of years, considering it a holy site. The first European known to have viewed the Grand Canyon was Garcia Lopez de Cardenas from Spain in 1540. The Grand Canyon's visually overwhelming size and intricate landscape make it a must-see destination. Look at this stunning view. This is amazing, right?
Chasing highs, yet always feeling low. I remember how you looked, one hello and I was hooked. Found the missing piece that made me whole. True love don't come round very often. It's like sunshine after the rain. But you know the moment it happens, everything will be okay. I hope I'm not coming on too strong, but you feel like family to me. Finding you was just like finding home, 'cause you feel like family to me. Yeah, you feel like family to me. Yeah, you feel like family to me. You're the reason I wake up with a smile and feel enough. I don't know what I would do without you. Every day I want you more.
Remember, the Grand Canyon offers an array of thrilling activities for adventure seekers, like hiking the Grand Canyon, rafting the Colorado River, helicopter tours, mule rides, biking the rim. Just remember that Grand Canyon promises adventure at every turn.
Happens, everything will be okay. I hope I'm not coming on too strong, but you feel like family to me. Feel like family, oh. Finding you was just like finding home, 'cause you feel like family to me, to me. Yeah, you feel like family, yeah, you feel like family to me.
Staying safe at the Grand Canyon. Elevations. The south rim is at 7,000 feet or 2,135 meters, and the north rim is at 8,000 feet or 2,438 meters. Arizona's dry climate. Be mindful of sunburn, dehydration, and altitude effects. Safety tips. Stay on designated trails and walkways. Keep a safe distance, at least 6 feet or 2 meters from the edge. Do not climb over barriers or fences. Watch your step and avoid trip hazards. Never throw anything over the edge. Enjoy the breathtaking views while prioritizing safety. This experience is really unforgettable. Yeah, promise. Hope you're enjoying this road trip, guys. and thank you so much for watching. Oh, by the way, let's talk about Arizona. Arizona, located in the southwestern United States, is a landlocked state bordered by Mexico to the south. Here are some key facts. Geography. Area 113,990 square miles or 295,233 square kilometers. Bordered by Utah, New Mexico, California, and Nevada. The Grand Canyon State known for its awe-inspiring natural wonder, the Grand Canyon. Population as of 2020, 7,151,502. Capital, Phoenix, the most populous state capital in the United States of America. Statehood, admitted to the Union on February 14, 1912, 48th state. Arizona's diverse landscapes, from deserts to mountains, make it a captivating place to explore. Arizona hosts a variety of unique festivals that cater to different interests. Arizona Taco Festival, Scottsdale. Bite into some of the region's tastiest tacos while enjoying live music and lucha libre wrestling in October. Buses by the Bridge, Lake Havasu City. Celebrate old VW buses in January with chili, hot air balloon rides, and other activities. Dillinger Days, Tucson. Step back into early 20th century gangster culture with reenactments, historical tours, and live music in January. Food City Tamale Festival, Phoenix. Sample a wide variety of tamales downtown in December. Gathering of the Gunfighters, Yuma. Witness Wild West-style gun showdowns in mid-January and Yuma Territorial Prison State Historic Park. Prickly Pear Festival, Superior. Enjoy a festival centered around the cactus, featuring its meat and fruit, along with the hikes, food, and art in August. Roasted Chili Festival, Tucson. Savor delicious Arizona-grown chilies along with live music, arts, and crafts in September. These festivals offer a taste of Arizona's diverse culture and creativity. Arizona boasts an abundance of diverse landscapes and natural wonders. Here are some unique landmarks worth exploring. Walnut Canyon National Monument, located near Flagstaff. This historic site features well-preserved cliff dwellings once inhabited by the ancient Sinagua people. Explore scenic canyon trails and learn about the rich cultural history here. Montezuma Castle National Monument. In Camp Verde, discover ancient dwellings built by the Sinagua people between approximately AD 1100 and 1425. The main structure comprises 5 stories and about 20 rooms, perched high in the cliffs. Wupatki National Monument, situated at the border of the Painted Desert and Ponderosa Highlands, Wupatki showcases ancient Puebloan culture. Explore the Wupatki Pueblo, Lumaki Pueblo, and more, offering glimpses into indigenous history. These landmarks reveal Arizona's rich heritage and stunning natural beauty. Please stay tuned for more, and please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. How about you? What's your favorite natural wonder? Well, I don't have personal preferences, but I can certainly share some remarkable natural wonders that captivate people worldwide. For example, the Aurora Borealis, Northern Lights, or the rice terraces in the Philippines, or the Mayon volcano in the Philippines with a perfect cone, right? What about the Victoria Falls, located on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe? Victoria Falls is one of the largest waterfalls globally with a width of over a mile. We are now in the city. Enjoy the rides. Oh my god, it's raining in here. Oh, by the way, where is the Great Barrier Reef located? Oh yeah, it's in Queensland, Australia. This coral reef is the largest living structure on Earth, right? Its vibrant marine life and colorful corals make it a diver's paradise. It's the world's highest peak. It's the Mount Everest, do you think? Oh yeah, because standing at 29,032 feet or 8,848 meters above sea level. Yeah, I still remember it. But anyway, we are nearly done, guys. Thank you so much for watching. To all my subscribers and my viewers, and for all those who haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Thank you so much. And lastly, the Grand Canyon has a deep connections to Native American tribes. Today, there are 11 federally recognized tribes associated with the Grand Canyon. These tribes include the Habasupai, Hopi, Kolapai, Navajo, Yavapai Apache, Pueblo of Zuni, Paiute Indian tribes of Utah, Chivwits Band of Paiute, Muapa Paiute, Las Vegas Paiute, San Juan Southern Paiute, and Yavapai Apache. It's hard to pronounce them. Their cultural heritage and traditions continue to shape the canyon's significance and add to its timeless allure. The Grand Canyon has inspired numerous myths and legends, adding to its mystique. Here are some intriguing tales. Egyptian connection. In 1909, an article claimed that explorer J.E. Henke discovered an underground citadel with the remnants of an ancient Egyptian civilization. Allegedly, the caves housed mummies, a shrine, and war weapons. Most consider this a hoax, likely mistaking a Native American site for Egyptian Ramses and lost civilization. The same 1909 article suggested that Egyptians crossed the Pacific Ocean, making the Grand Canyon their home. It even mentioned the mysterious cavern with possible ties to Ramses. However, the Smithsonian denies any Egyptian relics being found there. Supernatural entities. Hopi legends speak of God residing in a canyon region, tormenting travelers. Some believe mischievous spirits haunt certain areas, leading travelers to return cursed items. There are even sightings of a Bigfoot-like creature roaming the canyon. These myths contribute to the allure of this colossal chasm. As a recap, Arizona is a captivating state in the southwestern United States, offering diverse landscapes and exciting destinations. Start your journey in Phoenix, the state capital. Explore its vibrant culture, museums, and desert botanical gardens. Sedona, known for its red rock formations, Sedona is a stunning destination. Hike the trails, visit art galleries, and soak in the natural beauty. Grand Canyon National Park, a must-see. Marvel at the immense Grand Canyon carved by the Colorado River over a million of years. Tucson, discover Tucson's rich history. Visit the Arizona Sonora Desert Museum and explore nearby by Saguaro National Park. Scottsdale, enjoy upscale dining, shopping, and golf in Scottsdale, known for its luxurious resorts. And finally, Flagstaff. Head to Flagstaff for mountain adventures, including hiking, skiing, and stargazing. Whether you're into outdoor activities, cultural experiences, or simply soaking up the sun, Arizona has something for everyone. Alright guys, we're done again. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Again, thank you so much for watching. See you soon.